Alright, thank you guys for clicking on today's video. We are going to go over the pros and cons of Etrade. So starting off the pros, Etrade has a lot of great tools that you can use when trading on their platform. I mean, it literally doesn't end. They have screeners, analysis, chart analysis, technical indicators. It's crazy. And personally, I love all the things that come with Etrade. The next pro I want to talk about is the fact that they actually have great customer service. I had a couple of problems when I was first starting my account, and they got back to me the same day that I actually messaged them about my situation. And then when I wanted to put my account on margin, it was almost the same thing. I had to talk to someone, and within about 3 days, my account was approved to go on margin. The next pro I want to talk about is the fact they actually do let you trade OTC stocks. Now, OTC stocks are over-the-counter stocks, and basically what that means is they're penny stocks. And that could be a good or bad thing, but just because a stock is an OTC stock doesn't mean it could be a good purchase. And the next pro I want to talk about is the fact that Etrade basically has everything you need in a brokerage. If you want to trade options, you can do that there. If you want to do cover calls, you can do that there. If you want to talk to somebody and pay them and tell them, hey, I want to buy some stocks, what should I buy? They'll have analysts that you can talk to, and they'll tell you what their personal opinion is and what stocks they think you should buy. You can set up a retirement account, an IRA account. Basically, whatever you want to do, they can do for you. And now getting to the cons. The main cons that I want to talk about is the fact that there's actually really no sign-up bonus or referral bonus when it comes to Etrade. If you deposit $10,000 or more starting your new account, you do get free trading for about 45 days. Not a lot of people have $10,000 that they can just deposit right in their account right away. And the next stepping stone after that is actually $25,000. They'll give you $200 on them when you do that, and that's really less than 1% they're giving you back. I mean, it's still something, but it's nothing that's like that great. The next con is with a lot of people moving towards commission-free trades, they actually still do charge you per trade that you do. Personally, I don't mind this. $5 doesn't really seem like a big deal with all the tools that comes with this trading platform. However, if you're just starting out, I can see how this could eat up your account very fast, especially for day traders. Overall, I use my main account is with Etrade. So I hope you guys liked the video. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more future content.